Good morning, everybody. Wanted to hop on here and share my general thoughts on the indexes here and show I've been tweeting a little bit about the ADX picking up, and I wanted to just review that in just more focused detail here. So what we see here is the S&P E-mini, the ES futures contract, and basically what I see here is this is the ADX, this black line here. Whenever it picks up above 25, that is telling you that whatever direction the market is going in, that trend is starting to actually pick up some legitimate strength. So we see prices going down, obviously. So the ADX, when it's going up and the price is going down, that tells you that this downtrend is picking up steam. I'll point out some previous times in the past that it happened. We see back in February 2026, when we started to break down here, we saw this ADX start to pick up above 25. We saw that rallies were good shorting opportunities. Rallies into the declining moving averages were actually quite nice shorting opportunities for quite some time. And then it switched into a bullish ADX mode here when the ADX started to come up close to 25 here. Didn't catch obviously the exact bottom. It would have been a follow through day somewhere before that, and obviously getting above the 20 moving average, giving us signs that there's bullish momentum. But we can see this trend had strong integrity as well, with the ADX up around 25 and increasing over 25. And then we see what's happened since mid-June is that the ADX has been below 25, which is typical of choppy sort of range bound environments, non-trending environments, so no trend integrity on either the bullish or bearish side. So why I'm pointing this out is it's pretty important to note that the bears are actually starting to pick up steam here on the ES. On the SPY, it's happening as well. So on the SPY, actually we see the negative DMI, which is the red line, actually above 25, which is even weaker than the ES. The ES, it's still kind of hanging out below 25. On the NQ, very strong bearish trend integrity right now. We're getting this strong bounce today from the 100-day moving average, but based on the ADX being as strong as it is for the bears, I would look at shorting into these declining moving averages. We see on the QQQ bearish ADX as well. On the YM, the Dow, it's not there yet. It's actually just kind of, there's no trend integrity on either side. And on the Russell, same thing. So mainly though, my focus is the Qs and the SPY, and the technicals from the ADX tell me that it is time to be careful with longs. If longing at all, should be very short-term holds. And the high probability trades to me right now in these indexes is to short the rip. So basically that's what I'm watching, guys. If you have questions about the ADX, you can shoot me a message anytime. The ADX to me is one of the best tools that you can use to determine the integrity of a trend. So feel free to hit me up. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and thanks for listening. Bye-bye.